Hi, today I'll tell you about the fabric I use for punch needling. All my creations were made with this fabric. To choose the right fabric, we need to consider the needle size and yarn thickness. I use a Lavorse set. For such a set, we need dense and durable fabric that doesn't stretch. Ideally, it should be made from natural materials like cotton or linen. In my city, I found lightweight cotton. It meets all the requirements and is affordable. Let me show you how to check if your fabric is suitable. The needle should go through the fabric easily, without tearing it, just separating the fibers. The fabric must hold the yarn loop securely. If something goes wrong, the fabric should return to its original state without damage. For needles with a larger eye and thicker yarn, you need a less dense fabric. For example, for 4 mm needles, you could try light burlap or jute. Of course, the ideal option is professional tufting fabric like monk's cloth. It's specifically made for this purpose, but isn't always easy to find. As a general rule, the smaller the punch needle, the tighter the fabric, and the thinner the yarn. Now let's talk about frames. To get started with punch needling, you can use a regular round embroidery hook. Just make sure to tighten it well. But personally, I don't find it convenient, because no matter how tight I make it, there are still spots where the fabric doesn't hold. So, I bought a canvas frame from an art store and removed the canvas. If you don't have a staple gun, you can stretch the fabric using metal thumbtacks. Make sure the fabric fibers are parallel to the sides of the frame and pull as tight as possible. But now I prefer working on this large frame. You can see I've already started a new project. Here I was using this staple gun. It's so easy and quick, but a little bit dangerous, so be careful. So you can see how it looks. Here the previous one where I used thumbsticks. Listen to how the fabric is stretched. Hear the sound it makes, like a drum. This frame is made of 5 centimeters thick wooden bars. You can see it's also handmade by my boyfriend. That's everything I use for punch needling at the moment. I've already ordered a new punch needles with larger eyes and that famous carving clipper. As soon as I get them, I show you what I can make. Bye.